Welcome back, everyone, to the unboxing project. Today I have the XPS 13 Ultrabook. Plain old Dell box with the handle on the top. XPS 13, that's what this model is, the XPS 13. Let's open it up. Don't you love that fresh electronic smell? A couple of foam feet. We've got box itself. Ooh, pretty little flat black Dell packaging. I like that box a lot. It looks really good. We're gonna see what comes inside the box. Let's see, it looks like it's empty other than this, which is probably just the power brick. Yep. There's the power plug. AC plug, AC adapter, 45 watt. Now, this comes with this adapter here that plugs into the side of the power brick and pops open a plug. So if you don't have this with you, something happens to it or you forget it somewhere, you have this in the bottom of your laptop bag, you're not completely dead in the water. Oh, and I noticed that this is only the 2-prong on here opposed to the 3-prong on the plug itself. So that might be a pretty handy dandy little thing if you're somewhere where there's only the 2-plug outlet. That's pretty nice. So yeah, that's what comes inside the box for the XPS 13. This is the Macbook Killer XPS 13. Inside, of course, documentation, the quick start guide, safety information, little cubby here on the inside. Very light for an actual laptop. Well, Ultrabook, I guess it would be. XPS logo on the bottom. That's really nice. And there's a Pro. As you may know, this here is my favorite part. And it's gonna slide right out. Look at that. Right off. Oh man. This is a sweet little machine. I like it a lot. So, alright, well, let's start on the top. It's got a silver case, Dell logo on it. And you'll be opening it up this way, so Dell logos looks like that when it's open and everybody's watching you play with your new amazing Ultrabook that they're so jealous about. So we've got, looks like status indicator lights here, probably for power. A little button there, maybe a Bluetooth sync. Oh, it gives you notification of how much battery life you've got left. So we've got microphone and audio inputs, outputs, USB input, mini display port / Thunderbolt, output, power plug. Nothing at all on the back whatsoever. This side, Kensington lock. Whoops. This side we've got the Kensington lock, of course. Another USB super speed input, SD card, speaker. Looks like I missed it, but there is a speaker over here as well. And on the bottom, it's got these rubberized long feet here that probably make it pretty safe to sit on the table. Yeah, it doesn't. It's pretty sturdy. It doesn't move. Speaking of, here's a test I like to do on Ultrabooks. Now, the MacBook, you can sit it there and open it with one finger. Doesn't look like the XPS is going to do that. So again, the MacBook you can open with one finger, and it looks like you cannot with the XPS. So the bottom of the MacBook's heavier than the top. The XPS, it looks like that's the opposite, or it's a very heavy hinge. One way or the other, it takes two hands. So here's the other hand. Open it up. There it is. Oh, that is sweet. I like that. It's kind of a carbon fiber look, but a soft, not really rubbery, but a soft feel to it. That's going to feel very nice while you're working on it right there. That is very sweet. This one's got an i7 inside. I believe this is a full touch display, so if you wanted to, you could use it as a touch display. Keyboard, very tactile. It has some good sound to it. A lot of body on the keys. I like that. Clicky mouse pad, that's real nice too. Alright, let's give it a brief once over and see what she does. Dell. Booting up for the first time, the XPS 13 Ultrabook. For the SSD, these things go really quick, but the first boot up always takes a lot longer. As you can see, I don't know if you can see on there or not, it's got backlit keyboard. Again, going to the login screen. That's as far as I'm going to go right now. I'm actually going to be doing a review on this, so expect that shortly. This is Dell's XPS 13 Ultrabook. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching.